Want to automate keyboard actions instantly in Playwright? Let me show you the fastest way. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel WishInfinite. So what is browser press key tool in Playwright MCP Server? The browser press key tool in Playwright MCP Server simulates keyboard input, automating keys like Enter, Tab, Backspace, shortcuts like Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C or any key combination, function keys from F1 to F12, page up, page down and many more combinations. And how we can do so? So for that, let's have a look at the example. So here I've picked very simple example to explain this particular tool. For that, what we would be doing, we would be going to this particular site, which is wishinfinite.com/playground. And here I simply want to press Ctrl+A. What it will do, it will select all the text here, right? All the items which are available, it will select all of them. So now for this, we will have to give the prompt, which is navigate to this particular site and press Ctrl+A. That's it. And it will be able to navigate to this particular site and press Ctrl+A. Just to explain this, I've picked a simple example, but you can try to press any key or any combination of keys, right? And before providing prompt, I'm considering that you are having all the prerequisites, which means you have already installed Node, you have also installed VS Code. Apart from that, you are also having this GitHub Copilot extension. And I'm also considering that you have already done setup for your Playwright MCP server. If you have not done so, I would recommend you to watch setup related video into this particular playlist. I will provide link of those videos and of this particular automation using AI and MCP server playlist under the description, or you can click onto this I button at top right corner to access those videos. And now before providing the prompt, let me show you if you will not use this Playwright MCP server and you want to use the Playwright code, how you will be doing that. So in that case, you should have proper Playwright setup, right? And then you will have to create one test.spec.ts file, where you would be inputting test from the Playwright test. Then after creating test block under the anonymous function, we will be navigating to this particular link, and then we would be using this press method, right? So onto the whole body, I've used this press method where we are trying to press this control or meta plus A. So it would be applicable for Mac machine also, right? Where we want to select all the items onto the body. Now let me quickly execute it. So see, now it got navigated to this particular site and then it selected all the items by pressing the Ctrl+A. And the same thing now we would be doing with the help of Playwright MCP server by giving the simple prompt where it would be using browser press key. So now let's copy this particular prompt. Let me close this particular browser, and here into the VS Code, once you open this GitHub Copilot extension, if it is not open, you can click here and now just simply provide this particular prompt. We do not need any of the code here, right? We need not to do this Playwright project setup also, right? So let me close this. So simply you just need to provide the prompt. Here you need to select the agent, and here you can select the model of your choice, or you can keep it to auto, right? With the new version, you would be able to see the auto option. So automatically it will select the best suited agent for your task. And now just simply click onto the send. So what it will do, it will go to this particular site and then it will press Ctrl+A. Here it is asking me for the permission. So for this navigate, I will this time select this allow in this session. You can also select allow always. And now it has gone to this particular site and now it should press that Ctrl+A. So again, it is asking me for the permission. So here you can have a look. See, it is telling to run press a key using this Playwright MCP server, which means it is going to use this browser press key tool. Here we can allow it. And now it has pressed that Ctrl+A. Let me open the browser and see all the items have been selected by pressing the Ctrl+A. And here you can see the summary that I have completed both the steps. First navigated to this particular site and performed a Ctrl+A keyboard shortcut to select all the content on the page. So this step is for the navigation and this step is for pressing the Ctrl+A. You can expand it and see, as the input we have given the key, which is Ctrl+A to press. And if you will have a look at the output, here you can see that it has used that same method, which is press, and here it is using that Ctrl+A to select all the content on the page. And like this, you can try to press any key combination or any key by just giving the prompt. And here, which tool it would be using? It would be using browser press key tool. Just to have a look at that particular tool, you can click onto this configure tools option. And here, if you will go to the bottom, you would be able to see this MCP server Playwright, expand it and scroll down and see this is the tool, which is browser press key. And here is the description, press a key on the keyboard. So this is just for your reference that MCP server is going to use this particular tool whenever you want to press the specific key. And guys, similarly, you can try to provide your site and try to perform any operation using this browser press key tool. And guys, if you're finding this particular playlist helpful, let me know into the comment section below and feel free to share your suggestions. I would love to hear your thoughts. And now I will conclude this video here, but before we wrap up, let me give you a quick recap. So here we saw that browser press tool in Playwright MCP Server is used to simulate keyboard input or automating keys like enter, tab, backspace, shortcuts, function keys, page up, page down, and many more combinations. And here is the simple prompt where we would be going to this particular site and pressing the Ctrl+A. This is just an example. You can try to perform any other operation where you want to press a specific key. After that, we saw that if we want to use Playwright, so in that case, we will have to use this press method where we can provide Ctrl+A to press or any other combination. For that, we will have to do proper Playwright setup. We will have to create this test script file where we will have to provide the test block with this particular code. And now, when we would be using Playwright MCP Server, we just need to provide this simple prompt that navigate to this particular site and press this specific key, right? You can replace it with your site. If you want to do any navigation also before that, you can do that, and after that, just try to press the specific key. And here, as I told, it would be using browser press key tool, where as the input, it is taking the specific key which we want to press, and in the output, you would be seeing that indirectly it is going to use this particular press method only, which will navigate to the site and press the specific key. In your case, there can be different scenario. Let's say you want to go to the specific page, right? You want to perform a specific operation, right? Where you want to press the specific key, that you can do as per your requirement. And guys, that's it from my end. You can click onto this first card to go to the next video. You can click onto the second card to access the whole automation using AI and MCP servers playlist, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you have any comments, questions or doubts, you can let me know into the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.